If you're like most people, you probably don't have a half-inch torque wrench in your arsenal, but that doesn't mean you can't tackle DIY projects. In this video, we have listed the 5 best half-inch torque wrench based on your specific needs and preferences. We'll also provide some tips for using torque wrenches safely and effectively. So don't wait, hit the like button and start to watch.
Do you ever wonder how professionals ensure that lug nuts are tightened down to spec? Torque wrench. What I'm here to showcase for you today is the MichaelPro X torque wrench. Comes with a 1/2-inch drive socket. The torque bar is 1.5 feet long, and it comes equipped with 11/16, 3/4, and 13/16 socket. And with this, you can make sure that your lug nuts are tight without being overly tight. Using this tool is as simple as 1, 2, 3. The first thing you have to do is find the socket that fits your lug nut. Just snap that onto the socket wrench, grab your torque bar, slide that through the socket wrench as well. You're going to want to slide it all the way to the X position. From here, you can tighten down your lug nuts most of the way very quickly. Now once they're most of the way snug, you're going to want to slide it out to the T position. You can adjust the torque setting that you want using this window. Once you have your desired torque setting, crank on the nut until you feel a click.